If there's one thing we know about Tesla, it's their ability to continue to raise the bar in different industries. This time, Tesla is going after the airline industry with the electric vertical takeoff and landing airplane. The vertical takeoff and landing airplane looks like a hybrid between a UFO and a modern-day drone. The Tesla plane prototype uses VTOL technology found in helicopters. The unconventional aircraft comes with rotating wing systems and rotatable jet systems to take off vertically. Elon Musk announced the project in early February, who said he wanted to expand his business beyond manufacturing cars and trucks. As we know, the passion to reduce pollution is what drives Elon Musk the most in his quest to provide electric vehicles. One of the highest contributors to greenhouse gas is cars, so providing more electric vehicles on the road will reduce pollution. But as we all know, Tesla is always looking to advance and provide a better standard of living for people. This is why Elon Musk is looking to go into the aviation sector to reduce air pollution and flying operating costs. Tesla has teased the prototype of their first electric plane, and it causes some form of excitement across the world. In this video, we'll look at the first electric plane and how it will fare in the current aviation industry. Also, we'll look into the other new projects of Tesla, like the Cybertruck 2.0 and the launch tower at Starbase. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about all things Tesla, Elon Musk, and SpaceX. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to Elon Forward. Remember, you can leave a comment below of what other cutting-edge technologies you want to see, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to click the notification button so you can always get updates when we post a video. So, what are the exciting prospects of the first electric plane? Well, you just have to stick around to find out. Aviation companies spend a ridiculous amount of money on fuel and operating costs. The numbers are staggering, going into the millions of dollars to effectively maintain the functioning of the plane. With air pollution becoming a serious issue and affecting climate change, there needs to be a shift. Now, the aviation industry is one of the slowest progressive industries in the world. We say this with knowing, but repeating. We've come a long way since the first airplane hit the skies, but in recent years, we still face the same issues, such as high costs and pollution. So, Musk and his Tesla team are trying to ensure that this issue is abolished for good. With years of flying his private jet and talking with several leaders in the aviation industry, Musk has understood some of the intricate elements that are necessary for successfully flying people to different destinations. Look at the way SpaceX has been endorsed by NASA. The Space Authority even gives Musk the go-ahead to fly its astronauts to the moon. Even the military is safe with SpaceX deploying some highly classified satellites for special operations. So, Musk is no novice when it comes to transportation in the air. Although sending astronauts to the moon and flying people to access the world are two different things, many will argue that the former is much harder than the latter. Establishing an electric plane might pose some issues. Let us look at the issues first before we see what the future holds and how the electric plane will benefit the public. As with every new project, there are bound to be some problems that will be encountered. Although a Tesla airplane will do wonders for the industry, there are still some things that the team will need to consider. The first is the weight of the battery that will be used by Tesla. In flying an airplane, understanding the weight and balance is crucial for maximum protection of our lives. Musk will know all about this from his experience with SpaceX. However, the new Tesla cars have 4,800 battery cells, which is great as it still maintains its size, but has more capacity than the previous batteries. But Musk has commented that as great as this is, it will still need to reduce in size to properly fit the plane. Another issue that will be posed will be the cost of flying. With the electric plane set to be in motion real soon, Musk has tried to find ways through which the electric plane will be accessible to everyone, since the cost of flying will be high. However, the same way Musk is putting out $20,000 EVs is more or less the same strategy he'll use to ensure everyone can access the electric plane. It might just have to start with the rich first. This is what we presume. Now, let us look at some of the positives. With Tesla electric planes, the inefficiency in fossil fuel-based planes will be drastically reduced. Plus, aviation companies will be grateful that they will not have to spend millions on operating costs, which include repairs, fuels, and other expenses. Not many people know Tesla for producing solar panels, but since their mantra is all about renewables and efficiency in energy creation, solar panels are some of the areas that the company specializes in. Therefore, it is possible that the battery of the electric plane can be constantly charged by attaching solar panels to the plane. However, this will cost a lot of money by adding high-grade solar panels to the wings or sides of the plane. A resounding yes follows this question if you could remember the amount of stink that Tesla took when the company first started producing electric vehicles. So if it's any consolation, we know that Tesla can handle the pressure of entering a new industry. More importantly, the level of credibility that Musk has gathered over the years with Tesla and SpaceX, it's only a matter of time until the aviation industry is saturated with Tesla electric planes. Truly exciting times to come. Although we'd love to go on and on about it, let's get away from electric planes for a bit. Tesla is planning on bringing out two variations for the Ioniq Cybertruck. When the futuristic truck first came into the limelight, there was a lot of controversy about the design and size. By March of this year, we'll be looking at two variations of the truck. The first, which we all know, and then the second, which will be a little bit smaller. It'll be 15 to 20% smaller than the original. Aside from the variations, there's good news as the Cybertruck is undergoing new designs that will be unveiled later. Tesla is currently working on making changes to the design of the Cybertruck to enhance the experience for the driver. We may still see the same size of the truck, even if Musk initially said the truck size will reduce by 5%. That's looking unlikely, but the latest designs will be released soon. As usual, Tesla is keeping a lot of things under wraps to add more excitement to the reveal. Unfortunately, the Cybertruck release will be in 2023. Are you enjoying this video? Be sure to hit the thumbs up button below and also leave in your comment as well. Thank you. Let's go back to the video. Elon Musk is known to never lie down easy. He tries to make an effort to improve life for humanity in different sectors. One of his most fascinating topics is space. You can just see his eyes light up when he talks about his space company, SpaceX. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about the 400-foot Starship rocket that SpaceX has developed to carry people to the moon and other areas beyond Earth. Launching that type of rocket takes a great deal of precision and preparation, which is why the launch tower of the Starship rocket, Starbase, is crucial. Efforts have been made to ensure that the launch tower is fully equipped to stack and catch the rocket. It's imperative for the Starbase tower to properly stack the rocket to avoid any complications when it launches. Destacking the rocket is also an important aspect of the rocket returning to base. With Starship slated to take people beyond the Earth soon, the launch base has yet to be ready in time. A series of tests are currently ongoing to ensure the variability of Starbase. So there's a lot that's keeping Elon Musk and his teams, whether in Tesla or SpaceX, different projects that millions of people are counting on. But there's an atmosphere of optimism around the products that Tesla and SpaceX are working on. There will be more updates and upgrades to all of the inventions that we've mentioned in this video. Elon Musk wants to get things right, so it's only normal for changes to occur. But you can be sure that we will bring you the latest information about electric planes, electric vehicles, including the new pickup truck that Tesla is making, SpaceX, and all things Elon Musk. Are you excited at the prospect of a Tesla electric plane? We know we are. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, we have another like it of Elon Musk revealing the revolutionary Tesla tank, a military-grade Cybertruck of the future.